Today we will see how to dispatch the Shopify order from ShipXpost. Let's look at the test account. After logging, within the setting tab, check if there is a channel or not. Go to the Shopify account and select the setting option there. Open the app and Sell Channel tab. There you will see the option for ShipXpost. Within ShipXpost, you will find an option to view details. Click the option to open app. After that, the channel tab of ShipXpost will open. The channel name and token key will appear there. Go to the Shopify page. Go to the order tab and you will see all orders. There is a switch for active and inactive. Go to the order tab and select the B2C option. It will show the last 7 days of order. Go to the Shopify and select the sell channel option. Then select online store. The online store will open. Click on view your store. Open a product. Click on the Buy It Now button. A form will open. Fill in the details of that form. Click on the Pay Now button. A confirmation message will appear. The 1050 ID data will appear in Shopify. The order will be visible in both ShipXpost and Shopify. Let's ship. This order, see the product details, go to the serviceable pin code tab. Select the smarter option, adding the pin code will display it. Go to the B2C tab and dispatch a 1 kg order. Select the smarter 1 kg shipping option and ship it. The status will update to book. The order will also be marked as fulfilled within a Shopify. Now Shopify and ShipX will update the status as the order progresses. Complete our progress of creating a new order, syncing it from Shopify to ShipXpost and dispatching it through ShipXpost.